One of the core process industries that Avancion serves is the water industry. The water industry as a whole is in a unique state as it is squarely in the center of the issues with America's aging infrastructure, aging workforce, and regulatory pressures. It is saddled with the challenge of regulations, 100% uptime, and perfect quality, all the while managing a tight budget and financial position. At Avancion, we focus on solving challenges and providing our unique value to innovative technical solutions that address the impact on the people in the water industry while moving forward with their goals. There are 4 key challenges that face the industry. First is the challenge of weather. This industry as a whole is tasked with adapting and having the flexibility to manage around ever-changing weather conditions. From droughts to floods, regardless of the environment, the industry must be able to adjust and reliably provide their product. This often results in the needed ability to balance where water is stored, transferred, and consumed from. Next is the regulatory impact. Coupled up with the physical challenges of the water environment are the stringent quality control requirements by governmental regulations and the burden of proof they carry with them. Water suppliers must maintain a high level of quality to ensure water safety such that a boil restriction is never enacted. Following closely is the reality of failure management. The need for 100% uptime and significant cost constraints lead to struggles to upgrade technology as well as needs for 24/7 supportive systems. There is often limited budget and system availability to manage the impact of technology obsolescence and strategies to address failures in the system. In order to keep the process up and running, the industry requires quick and efficient support of a wide variety of technical systems in order to maintain the reputation and requirements for quality and consistency. Last is the overall industry constraint that most water companies have older equipment and an aging workforce that is tasked to cover a large network and geography of systems. Avancion provides a number of key solutions that impact the success or failure of water industry projects. Those solutions include standardized applications and development, innovative communication methods, visualization methods and strategies, failure mode assurance, and system and cybersecurity.
Rapid response to process, mechanical, and electrical problems can only be accomplished with a workforce that understands the technologies employed. This means consistent and standardized methods and tools should be used in the development and maintenance of these systems. Based on the vast geographical areas covered by typical water systems, connectivity is usually accomplished with several commercial and industrial communication systems like radios, cellular, and satellite. Each of these communication modes come with limitations in speed, bandwidth, and/or distance, which we must account for early in the system design. Proper visualizations of water systems can be achieved by understanding the hydraulic model and the critical process variables monitored and controlled. Software and hardware should be transparent to the operations personnel, and the cause of problems should be made obvious, not the effects. Typical hardware and communications failures should be tolerated by the system in order to keep quality water delivered to the customer. We therefore look at alternate means of failure mode recovery early in the designs of these systems. The many communications modes and unmanned operations make water systems an ideal cyber security target. Delivery of quality water is the most important operational aspect of the automation system. We look at securing these systems from outside threats as critical in their design.
For information on these water solutions and more, please visit our website at www.avancion.com.